Meaning of inconsiderate.
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 Inconsiderate. The word inconsiderate is used to describe a person who lacks thought or concern for others. This can manifest in a variety of ways, such as disregarding social norms or etiquette, neglecting to consider the consequences of one's actions, or failing to take into account the feelings and needs of others. People who are inconsiderate might be thoughtless, selfish, rude, or insensitive. Overall, behaving in an inconsiderate manner can lead to negative outcomes, including hurt feelings, damaged relationships, and social isolation.